Welcome to our countdown of the three biggest volcanic eruptions from the last 100 years. Volcanoes, these openings in the Earth's crust, offer a glimpse into the raw power hidden within our planet. They are capable of unleashing incredible forces of nature, reshaping landscapes and impacting lives in an instant. We'll be looking at some of the most powerful and devastating eruptions in recent history. From towering ash clouds that darkened the skies to pyroclastic flows that raced down mountainsides, these events left an indelible mark on our planet and serve as a stark reminder of the immense power that lies beneath our feet. Join me as we journey to these sites, examining not just the eruptions themselves, but also their lasting impact on the surrounding environment and the people who lived through them. Our journey begins in the Pacific Northwest of the United States on May 18, 1980. Mount St. Helens, a seemingly tranquil mountain, had been dormant for over a century. But beneath the surface, pressure had been building for weeks, signaled by tremors and a growing bulge on the mountain's north face. At 8:32 a.m., that pressure found its release. The northern flank of the mountain collapsed in a massive landslide, the largest debris avalanche in recorded history. Seconds later, a lateral blast, an explosive release of superheated gas and rock, erupted sideways from the newly formed crater, traveling at speeds exceeding 300 miles per hour. The blast devastated everything in its path, leveling forests, melting glaciers, and sending a plume of ash and gas 15 miles into the atmosphere. The immediate blast zone, covering an area of over 230 square miles, resembled a desolate moonscape. The eruption of Mount St. Helens claimed 57 lives, a stark reminder of the destructive power of nature. The event also had a profound impact on the landscape, reshaping valleys, creating new lakes, and depositing layers of ash over a vast area. Yet, even in the face of such destruction, life found a way. Plants and animals gradually returned to the blast zone, a testament to the resilience of nature in the face of adversity. Our next stop takes us to the Philippines, where Mount Pinatubo awoke from a slumber of over 600 years. In June 1991, the volcano unleashed a series of eruptions, culminating in a climactic event on June 15th. This eruption was colossal, 10 times more powerful than Mount St. Helens. It ejected a staggering 10 cubic kilometers of material, sending a towering ash cloud 22 miles into the atmosphere. The ash cloud, carried by winds, spread across the globe, causing a noticeable dip in global temperatures over the following year. Prior to the eruption, volcanologists had been monitoring Mount Pinatubo closely. Their timely warnings allowed for the evacuation of tens of thousands of people from the surrounding areas, saving countless lives. The eruption of Mount Pinatubo serves as a testament to the importance of scientific monitoring and early warning systems. Despite the eruption's scale, the death toll was significantly lower than it could have been, thanks to the timely actions of scientists and authorities. Even with this successful evacuation, the eruption had a devastating impact on the region. Ashfall-buried villages, lahars, volcanic mudflows swept down river valleys, and the landscape was dramatically altered. The eruption of Mount Pinatubo stands as a reminder of the global reach of these powerful events. Our final destination takes us to the land of fire and ice, Iceland. In 2010, a volcano with a name that seemed impossible to pronounce, Eyjafjallajökull, captured the world's attention. While not as powerful as Mount St. Helens or Mount Pinatubo, Eyjafjallajökull's eruption had a far-reaching impact, demonstrating the interconnected nature of our modern world. The eruption began in March 2010 with a series of lava fountains that lit up the Icelandic night sky. These initial eruptions, while visually spectacular, were relatively small and posed little threat to populated areas. However, a second eruption in April, this time from beneath the Eyjafjallajökull glacier, proved to be far more disruptive. The interaction of magma and glacial ice created a massive plume of ash, which rose high into the atmosphere and drifted towards mainland Europe. This ash cloud, composed of tiny particles of volcanic glass, posed a significant hazard to aircraft engines and led to the largest closure of European airspace since World War II. For over a week, flights were grounded, stranding millions of passengers and causing widespread economic disruption. The eruption of Eyjafjallajökull highlighted the vulnerability of our globalized world to natural disasters. even those occurring in remote corners of the planet. Though disruptive, the eruption of Eyjafjallajökull served as a stark reminder of the power of nature to disrupt our lives and connect us in unexpected ways. It was a vivid demonstration that events on one side of the world can have ripple effects that are felt globally. As we've seen, volcanic eruptions are awe-inspiring displays of our planet's raw power. They can reshape landscapes, disrupt lives, and even impact the global climate. But they also remind us of the resilience of life, which always finds a way to return even in the most challenging of circumstances. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fascinating insights into our planet's natural wonders. Let us know in the comments which volcanic eruption you found most interesting. Was it the raw power of Mount St. Helens, the global impact of Pinatubo, or the disruptive force of Eyjafjallajökull? We look forward to hearing your thoughts.